Join me as I take on the challenge of making my very own yarn planter at home today. Welcome to today's video where you'll learn how to make your very own yarn planter at home. It's an easy and sustainable way to showcase your favorite plants. Many people struggle with finding unique and affordable planters, often resorting to generic options. This project addresses that problem by using materials you may already have. By making your own yarn planter, you can add a personal touch to your home decor. Plus, it's a great way to reuse and recycle materials. Using generic planters can be boring, and they often don't fit with our personal style. But with a yarn planter, you can choose any color or texture you like. The possibilities are endless, and it's a fun project to work on. You can get creative and experiment with different yarns and patterns. To make things even better, this project is easy on the wallet. You can use yarn you already have at home, or buy some cheaply at a craft store. And you can use a balloon you have lying around, which makes it a zero-waste project. We'll walk through the materials needed, which are pretty basic. You'll need some yarn, a balloon, scissors, and a bit of patience. The step-by-step process of wrapping yarn around a balloon is easy to follow. Simply start wrapping the yarn around the balloon in a spiral pattern, overlapping the yarn as you go. As you wrap the yarn, make sure to leave some space between each layer. This will help the yarn planter hold its shape. Once you've wrapped the entire balloon, let it dry completely. This might take a few hours, depending on the humidity and temperature. The moment of truth arrives when you pop the balloon and reveal your stunning yarn planter. This transformation is what makes the project so rewarding. You'll be amazed at how beautiful it looks. And you can use it to showcase your favorite plants. The best part is, you can customize it to fit your style. You can add some decorations, like beads or sequins, to give it a personal touch. Or, you can leave it simple and let the yarn speak for itself. To wrap up, you've learned how to create a unique yarn planter that adds a personal touch to your home decor. Remember to experiment with different colors and sizes. If you enjoyed this project, consider checking out my other DIY videos or leave a comment below about your yarn planter experience.